DJI might be quietly changing the game for pocketable cameras again, and the leaks for the Osmo Pocket 4 suggest this isn't just a tiny upgrade. From slimmer bodies to extra buttons, smarter controls, and potentially game-changing video options, this little device might finally bridge the gap between a true one-handed gimbal and cinema-quality output. Welcome back, viewers. Jamis here. Like, share, and subscribe for more! Starting with the body, DJI seems to have shaved off a ton of weight. The Pocket 4 drops down from the Pocket 3's 179 grams to around 116 grams. A change you'll notice the second you hold it. Ergonomics are subtly refined, but the real curiosity lies in those extra front buttons. Are they tactile zoom controls, instant mode switches, or customizable shortcuts? Either way, they could solve one of the Pocket 3's most annoying limitations. The display remains the same rotatable 2-inch screen that vloggers loved, but the new button placement raises questions about portrait vs. landscape usability. Leaks suggest the sensor stays at 1 inch, but whispers point to smarter cropping, better telephoto performance, and cleaner low-light shots without adding size. Two variants could arrive: a base, skinny model and a pro version with a second lens and bigger battery, giving creators options depending on whether portability or extended runtime is their priority. Video capabilities are also stepping up. Expect 6K at 38 fps and 4K at 120 fps, which means more flexibility for vlogs and everyday content. Variable aperture from f32 to f/4 is rumored, though some would prefer an electronic ND filter instead. Still, it's a step toward creative control previously unseen in this form factor. Built-in storage, microSD support, 10-bit color in DLOGM, and Osmo audio improvements all make this a more complete package for creators who don't want extra mics or battery packs weighing them down. The Pocket 4 also borrows the 360 pan from the Osmo Mobile 8, giving smoother tracking options for solo creators. The one feature still missing: motor lock for static shots. Hopefully, DJI will add this in future updates, because it's one of the few remaining quirks limiting full creative freedom. With the Pocket 4, DJI is aiming for a smarter, lighter, more versatile vlogging tool. If the rumors hold true, better zoom, improved audio, longer battery, and more control, this could easily become the go-to pocket cinema gimbal again. Which feature excites you most, the physical zoom, the second lens, or longer battery life? Drop your pick in the comments.